Hello everyone. There is a question in trigonometry that often comes in the exam and it is very confusing for the students to understand because this question is little bit tricky. The question is, if sine alpha plus sine beta is equal to A and cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to B, that is given over here, then we have to show that cos alpha plus beta is equal to B square minus A square by B square plus A square, sin alpha plus beta is equal to 2AB by A square plus B square, and tan alpha plus beta is equal to 2AB by B square minus A square. This question is a cascading question in which if you find the value of cos alpha plus beta, if you just find the value of cos alpha plus beta, then you can find all the rest other values itself. So only catch is that how to find the value of cos alpha plus beta, that is only the catch, that is this thing. So we will see how to find the value of cos alpha plus beta. To solve this question, the question is very important for class 11 maths. To solve this question, generally we use one formula. One formula is used. It is given in R.D. Sharma also. This formula is given in the R.D. Sharma book also. Very important formula. The formula is sin alpha plus beta. Sin alpha plus beta or sin A plus B. Again you will write sin A minus B. Sin A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B, or this can also be written in the terms of cos, that is cos square B minus cos square A. Both of the things are correct. Either you write sin square A minus sin square B, or you write cos square B minus cos square A. Both are correct. It depends upon the question how to use it. Next, this is the first formula. The second formula that is going to be used in this question is cos alpha plus beta or cos A plus B, and cos A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B, or this can also be written in the terms of cos square B minus sin square A. Both the formulas are correct. It depends upon the question that what formula we are going to use it. Now in this question we have to find the value of cos alpha plus beta. We will find the value of cos alpha plus beta. As you can see in the question, the first part which we are going to prove, that is we have to find the value of cos alpha plus beta, which is equal to, it is given in the question to show that cos alpha plus beta is equal to B square minus A square by B square plus A square. So what we will do, we will individually find the values of this thing. B square minus A square value we will find individually, and B square plus A square value we will find individually. So there are two things we will find. First is this value we will find, the second is this value we will find individually, and then we will divide it to see what is the answer coming. So let us solve the part 1. First it is given in the question that A is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta. So if we do the A square, that is coming sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. This is the value of A square. Similarly, if we find the value of B square, now what is the B square coming? Let us see. Now we will find the value of B square. Obviously the value of B is given to be, the B is given cos alpha plus cos beta. So if you do the B square, then B square is coming, the B square value is coming, if you square it, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta. So this is my first one that we are finding. Let this be like this 1, and this is the second one that we have found, that is B square. Let this be 2. Now what we will do, A square, since we have to get here A square minus B square minus A square and B square plus A square, these two things we need. So what we will do, we will do the B square minus A square and B square plus A square separately and see what answer is coming. So first let us find what is B square plus A square. First let us find what is the B square plus A square. So first finding B square plus A square, as per the above values of A square and B square, we can see B square plus A square is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. Now as you can see that cos square alpha, you can see that cos square alpha and sin square alpha equal to 1, and cos square beta and sin square beta equal to 1. So let us club it together and write it. Let us club these things together and write it. What is the happening? Let us see. So we are getting the value cos square alpha cos square alpha plus sin square alpha plus cos square beta plus sin square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta, 2 sin alpha sin beta. So it can be written as 2 common cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Like this we have clubbed it together and written. Now as you can see that this entire value is equal to 1, and this entire value is equal to 1, and cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta is equal to cos alpha minus beta. The formula, from the formula we can easily get this one. So it can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos alpha minus beta, which is nothing but equal to 2 plus 2 cos alpha minus beta. Now whatever the value you have got this one, let this value be called as third part, and we have found this one, b square plus a square. Now we will find b square minus a square, as it was needed over here, b square minus a square. So we will find b square minus a square. So now let us find the value of b square minus a square. So finding the value of b square minus a square, that is equal to, what is the value of b square? The value of b square is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta. That is the value of b square. Then put the minus sign and write the value of a square. The value of a square, as you can see, the value of a square is this one. This is the value of a square. That is written sin square alpha inside one bracket, because minus sign is outside. So sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. Like this we have written. Now if we club it together, then we are getting, first we will open the bracket and multiply the minus sign. So cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta minus sin square alpha minus sin square beta minus 2 sin alpha sin beta. Now if we start clubbing it together, then what we will get? We will get cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, or we can we will use this formula. Cos square a minus sin square b, that is cos square alpha minus sin square beta, or we will use this formula, cos square beta minus sin square alpha, whichever is applicable, we will use this formula, that is cos square alpha minus sin square beta. So let us see what is coming. So from here we can see that cos square alpha minus sin square beta and cos square beta minus sin square alpha we are getting. So we can club it in that formula and see what answer is coming. Cos square alpha minus sin square beta in one bracket, again put the plus sign, cos square beta minus sin square alpha in one bracket, then we will say plus 2 outside, because the remaining things, what are the remaining things? The remaining things are 2 cos alpha cos beta and minus 2 sin alpha sin beta. 2 is common, so I will take the 2 outside and write cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. So what is happening here? We are getting cos square alpha minus sin square beta. We are getting this thing. We are getting cos square alpha minus sin square beta. Which is, according to this formula, cos square alpha minus sin square beta can be written as cos alpha plus beta cos alpha minus beta. So we will write it in that fashion. Cos alpha plus beta cos alpha minus beta. So let us write it. It will be cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta. Again you put the plus sign, then cos square beta minus sin square alpha. This can be written as, again it can be written as, if you see the formula correctly, the same thing is said here but in the reverse order. As you can see, the same thing is said here in the reverse order, that also have the same value, that is cos square beta minus sin square alpha also have the same value. So we will write that same formula only, So what will be written here? We will write cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta, cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta, plus 2, and what is remaining here, that you write cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. This is the formula of cos alpha plus beta, So it is coming 2 cos alpha plus beta, ठीक है. So this is coming like this. Now what we are seeing, this is equal to 2 cos alpha plus beta cos alpha minus beta plus 2 cos alpha plus beta. Now we can take the common outside. What we will take common outside? 2 cos alpha plus beta is the common outside, and the remaining inside is cos alpha minus beta plus 1. Now let this 2 whatever we have written outside, let this 2 be go inside the bracket and multiply. So this will become cos alpha plus beta. Inside the bracket it will become 2 cos alpha minus beta plus 2. 2 cos alpha minus beta plus 2. Now this is the what we are getting, the fourth part. As you can see in the third part, what we have got, we have got this one, 2 plus 2 cos alpha minus beta, and the same thing is coming here also, 2 plus 2 cos alpha minus beta, the same thing is coming here also. That means for this thing we can do the substitution. We can put the value, this one value we can substitute with this one, that is b square plus a square in the fourth part. So that only we are doing. We will substitute this one, this b square minus a square, is equal to cos alpha plus beta. Now whatever was there inside the bracket, 2 cos alpha minus beta plus 2, in place of that you will write b square plus a square, that we are getting from the third part. From here we are getting b square plus a square, so that we will put here b square plus a square. Now if you do the transposition, b square minus a square by b square plus a square is equal to cos alpha plus beta, and this value that you are getting is the first answer to show that the value of cos alpha plus beta is equal to b square minus a square by b square plus a square. That was the first answer, b square minus a square by b square plus a square, that is cos alpha plus beta. This we have done, the first part we have done, the first part is proved. Now we have to find the second part. This was the answer of the first part that we have proved. First part is done. Now we have to find the second part. The second part, the answer is saying to find the value of sin alpha plus beta. Now since you have find cos alpha plus beta, so it becomes very easy. To find the value of sin alpha plus beta. How? We will write sin alpha plus beta is equal to root under 1 minus cos square alpha plus beta. By using the identities we know this formula, so this can be written as 1 minus, now cos alpha plus beta value is b square minus a square by b square plus a square whole square. So this can be written as, by taking the LCM, you can write this one as b square plus a square whole square minus b square minus a square whole square upon b square plus a square whole square. So this can be further simplified in the form of difference of two squares. So this can be written as b square plus a square plus b square minus a square in one bracket, and another bracket it will be written as b square plus a square minus b square plus a square in another bracket upon b square plus a square whole square, all inside one single root. So when you solve this one, the value will come from here. We can see that something is cancelling. A square plus a square cancel, minus b square plus b square cancel. So what we are getting? We are getting root under 2b square into 2a square upon b square plus a square whole square. If you further solve this one, then the value will come 2ab by a square plus b square. That is the second part we have to prove. That is the second part. The answer is this one. The second part, the answer is this one. That is sin alpha plus beta is equal to 2ab by a square plus b square. Yes. If you have found the sin alpha plus beta value and you have found the cos alpha plus beta value, if you divide this both the values, then you will easily get the value of tan alpha plus beta. So we will say the third part of the question, that is tan alpha plus beta. The third part of the question is tan alpha plus beta, that is equal to sin alpha plus beta by cos alpha plus beta. So what is sin alpha plus beta? Sin alpha plus beta is equal to 2ab by a square plus b square, and this value is equal to b square minus a square by b square plus a square. As you can see that something will cancel, denominator cancel, so the value is coming 2ab by b square minus a square. That is the third answer. That is the third answer that we have to prove. So this is how we have proved all the three part of the question. As you can see, all the three parts are proved over here. You can pause the video and take the screenshot. Also, I am sending the PDF link of this entire document with the description of this YouTube video, from where you can download and see the solution. I hope you understood. Thank you.